Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to pass Magisk SafetyNet on GSI ROMs. Let's go and take a look. Hi guys, so let me go ahead and show you the situation. If you install GSI Havoc ROM, for example, and even if you have MagiskHide ON, usually it passes with MagiskHide, you might get basic integrity check, but ctsProfile does not check. Alright, here's an easy way to pass it. If you go to forum.hionandroid.com, under Universal Android Tutorial category, you'll see how to pass Magisk SafetyNet check on GSI ROMs. I'll put the direct link to it so you don't have to look for it, but you can find it like that too. Go ahead and download the MagiskHide props config here. Alright, all the download links are at the bottom here, where it says click here to download. Alright, that will download it. Alright, don't open it yet. Now, if you have trouble downloading, try long click and download link. That will also download it too, just in case. Sometimes that happens. Go back to your Magisk Manager app, and you're going to go into Modules. Right, and you're going to go ahead and choose Install from Storage. And you're going to go ahead and choose your download directory. And you can go ahead and choose the MagiskHide prop config v5 3.35.zip. Right? And that will flash the MagiskHide prop. Alright, and you're going to have to reboot. Go ahead and reboot. And basically what we're going to do is go ahead and change the device fingerprint from the whatever it's on the GSI, because the GSI actually doesn't even have device fingerprint, so we actually have to set it. So this will allow us to actually pass the safety net, and we can set it to something like a Pixel 4 XL, anything you want pretty much, but we'll set it to Pixel 4 XL. Go ahead and download Terminal Emulator on the Play Store. It's this one here, Terminal Emulator for Android. Alright, once installed, go ahead and open. Wait for the terminal to show up here. Type SU. That'll give you root access. And you should see Magisk giving you root access. Go ahead and type props. And this will load up the MagiskHide prop config editor program. Don't forget to donate to the developer of this app here. I do have the donate link on my forum. Alright, on the thread. So this is going to allow you to edit the device fingerprint, which is what we want. So we're going to choose 1 and enter. And go ahead and do F, which is pick a certified fingerprint. And we're going to basically set the device fingerprint. Let's go ahead and go with Google 7, enter. And we'll go with Pixel 4 XL, which is 23. But you can try other ones, it should work. And go ahead and make sure to choose the correct Android version. I'm using Android 10. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 1, enter. And go ahead and say yes to change your device fingerprint. And you'll have to do a final reboot. So say yes, which will reboot your phone. And after that, your Magisk will pass SafetyNet. Alright, this is a great method. This was actually mentioned by one of you guys on my channel. Thanks for the comment. So I always learn from you guys. I really love that. You know, I try to make tutorials, and sometimes a lot of things I learn from you guys. So thank you very much for leaving that comment. And this allowed me to fully root with MagiskHide working, with SafetyNet passing. And some of you guys were worried about your banking apps not working. Now, personally, I don't use banking apps. I just use the web browser version. All right. So that's another way to do it. Unless a feature you absolutely need to use it on your banking app. But most of the features should be available. Oh, wait a minute. Boom shakalaka. There you go. So now you should be able to pass SafetyNet check on all your GSIs. I'm using a Havoc ROM GSI, by the way, Android 10. Working flawless. The notch is working flawless. My fingerprint sensor is working flawless. Alright, my face unlock is working flawless. Well, I'll have a full review of this. I don't want to give you the whole video. Anyway, enjoy your SafetyNet check pass. and your GSIs. Now you can install this and make it just really flawless. Have a great day, and as always, stay on Android.
Click here to subscribe.